Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best recipes for a healthy and delicious lifestyle. Today, we have something special in store for all you low-carb enthusiasts out there. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these 7 amazing low-carb recipes that are perfect for quick and easy meals. Let's dive right in. Recipe 1. Zucchini Noodle Stir-Fry. Our first recipe is a game-changer. Swap out traditional noodles for zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles. Sauté them with colorful veggies, lean protein, and a flavorful sauce. It's a guilt-free, low-carb twist on a classic stir-fry. Recipe 2. Cauliflower Crust Pizza. Craving pizza but want to keep it low-carb? Look no further. Our cauliflower crust pizza is a winner. Load it up with your favorite toppings, pop it in the oven, and enjoy a delicious, guilt-free pizza night. Recipe 3. Greek Salad Stuffed Avocado. Avocado lovers, this one's for you. We're taking the classic Greek salad and giving it a low-carb twist. Stuff ripe avocados with a medley of fresh veggies, feta cheese, olives, and a tangy dressing. It's a refreshing and satisfying meal in itself. Recipe 4. Spaghetti Squash Pad Thai. Craving some Asian flavors? Our spaghetti squash pad Thai is a must-try. Roast spaghetti squash until tender, then toss it with a flavorful pad Thai sauce, shrimp or tofu, and crunchy veggies. It's a low-carb take on a beloved dish that won't disappoint. Recipe 5. Lettuce Wrap Tacos. Taco lovers, rejoice! Ditch the tortillas and opt for lettuce wraps instead. Fill them with seasoned ground turkey or chicken, fresh salsa, avocado, and a sprinkle of cheese. These lettuce wrap tacos are light, refreshing, and packed with flavor. They're perfect for a quick and satisfying low-carb meal. Recipe 6. Broccoli and Cheese Stuffed Chicken Breast. Looking for a protein-packed meal that's low in carbs? Our broccoli and cheese stuffed chicken breast is a winner. Tender chicken breast is filled with a delicious mixture of steamed broccoli and melted cheese. It's a wholesome and satisfying dish that will leave you wanting more. Recipe 7. Eggplant Lasagna Roll-Ups. Craving lasagna but want to skip the pasta? Our eggplant lasagna roll-ups are the answer. Thinly sliced eggplant is roasted and then rolled up with a flavorful mixture of ricotta cheese, spinach, and marinara sauce. It's a low-carb twist on a classic comfort food. And there you have it, folks. 7 mouth-watering low-carb recipes that are perfect for quick and easy meals. Whether you're following a low-carb lifestyle or simply looking to incorporate healthier options into your diet, these recipes are sure to satisfy your cravings without compromising on taste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and healthy living tips. And as always, remember to stay creative, stay healthy, and keep cooking. See you in the next video.